What's up everyone, my name is Des and today I'll be making a keto style lasagna, so check it out. First, you'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And I'll be using 4 yellow squash and cutting them up in very thin slices. And then you will be putting them in a container lined with paper towels and putting salt on top so that the water is released from the yellow squash. And then I cut 2 slices of onion and chop that up. Next, I'm just going to heat some olive oil in the pan and then drop in my meat and my onion. And once most of the moisture is cooked out, I added Lawry's seasoning. But of course you can use whatever type of salt you want. And then when the meat's all cooked up, I'm going to add the tomato sauce. And then I add a little water to the can just to get all the excess sauce out from it, and then I add it to the rest of the sauce in the pan. And then everything I do is being seasoned to taste, so I'm putting some Himalayan sea salt, oregano, and it's just all to taste. So I'll taste it with a separate spoon, and then if I think it needs more of something, then I'll add it. And then I just add a little bit of sugar. And a little more oregano after tasting. I thought it needed some more. You can use whatever kind of baking dish you want. Today I'm using my cast iron, and then you just want to spread the sauce on the bottom of the pan, and then so your yellow squash doesn't stick. Also, I have used zucchini on this recipe. This is my first time using yellow squash, so yeah, you can definitely replace with zucchini as well. I place them in circles around the pan, but you can just go in lines or however you want. Then you'll add another layer of sauce on top of that. Next, you'll add the cheese, and I had sliced cheese, so I'm just breaking them up. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. You can grate cheese, whatever. It just depends on your preference. I'm using Monterey Jack today. And then you'll do another layer of the yellow squash, and I kind of set it inside the ring. Kind of like steps, but you can do it however you want. If you want to spread it all the way to the end of the pan again, which makes more sense, but I don't know why I do it this way. I guess I think it looks pretty, but you can do it however you want. And then again, you spread the sauce on top, and then you'll add the cheese again. And lastly, you'll do your last layers of your yellow squash and sauce, and then you'll top it with the cheese so it gets all nice and brown. And then you'll cook it for about 40 minutes, and it should be done. You can cook it a little longer if you want. But yeah, that's it. With the extra sauce, I made spaghetti, and I used it like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my keto-friendly, easy lasagna. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Be on the lookout for my upcoming bathroom organization video. That'll be out next week. And I'll see you next time. Bye!